You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, originally at least from Italy. This is an Italian name, Italian for Matthew essentially, so originally from Hebrew. If you want to learn more Italian names that are confusing, stay tuned. Italian pronunciation, Mattia. How to pronounce Mattia, because you have a double T, means that the T has to be stressed on and make a longer T twice as long. Mattia that's how they say it in Italian. Mattia, 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 almost like there was two T. Well, there are two T's. Mattia. In English, Mattia. How to pronounce Mattia. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.